Hello and welcome everyone. I am really glad to see you here for the very first lecture of our course Python Made Easy Foundation course for new learners. In this course, we will learn how to write simple Python programs, understand the basic concept of programming, and slowly build up our skill step by step. Python is one of the most popular and easiest programming languages used in the world today. It is used in the website, apps, data science, automation, machine learning, and much more. In today's lecture, we will start with a basic introduction. What is Python? Why should we learn it? And how to write your very first Python program. So sit back, relax, and get ready to begin your journey into the world of the coding. Let's get started. So the question arises, what is Python? And simply, Python is popular and easy to learn programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is used to build websites, analyze data, automate tasks, create apps, and even powerful artificial intelligence. It is known for clean and readable syntax, writing fewer lines of the code, working across our platform like Windows, Mac, Linux. And why should we learn Python? Now that we know Python is, let's talk about the importance question. Why we should learn Python? So here are few strong reasons which we need to discuss. First is Python is beginner friendly. It has simple and clean syntax. That means the code looks like plain English. Even if you are never written a line of the code before, Python make it easy to start. Secondly, Python is powerful and versatile. It is used in many different areas like web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, game development, and more. So whatever your interest, Python can help you explore it. Third main reason is Python is in high demand. Many companies around the world use Python, so learning it opens up great job opportunities to in the tech, data research, and more. Fourth main reason is it has a huge community. That means you will find lots of tutorials, examples, forums, and help of online. You are never alone in your Python journey. And finally, Python is free and open source. You don't need to pay for it, and you can run it on any computer, Windows, Mac operating system, Linux. So in short, Python is simple, powerful, and useful. It is one of the best programming languages to start with, and also one of the most rewarding. So now to start Python, we need some tool, and during this session, during this course, we will use two tools. One is Google Colab and second is Jupyter Notebook. So first we need to understand what is Google Colab. Let's talk about an amazing tool called Google Colab. Google Colab is a free online platform that lets you write and run code directly in your web browser. You don't need to install anything. All you need is a Google account. It's like a notebook where you can mix text, code, and output all in one place. And the best part, it comes with many Python libraries already installed like NumPy, Pandas, and even tools for machine learning like TensorFlow. Google Colab also support free access to GPU, which is very useful for heavy computations. So whether you are learning Python, analyzing data, or building models, Colab is a great tool to start with, and we will be using it throughout this course to practice our Python program easily and efficiently. During the course, we will use the Jupyter Notebook, and we must be familiar. Why Jupyter Notebook we are using? Because the syntax and the text which we will use here both are Python based, and secondly, the Google Colab is also based on the Jupyter Notebook, so there is no difference between Jupyter Notebook as well as the Google Colab. So there are so many similarities. So once you will start with the Google Colab, we can easily integrate Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so we have the little bit introduction about the Jupyter Notebook. We should talk about a very useful tool for the writing Python code. It is called the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an interactive coding environment. Think of it like a notebook where you can write your Python code, expand it in text, and see the results immediately all in one place, just like the Google Colab we will do. Okay, and it's especially popular among the data scientists, researchers, and students because it helps you organize your thought, code, and output clearly. What makes it powerful is that you can run your code in small parts called cells. You can also add notes, write equations using LaTeX, and also display charts and plots using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. To use Jupyter Notebook, you can install it using the Anaconda, or you can run it from the browser if you are using platform like Google Colab. Okay, so we will be using Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook throughout this course to practice Python in an easy and interactive way. So also here you can see the similarities between the Jupyter Notebook as well as the Google Colab. You can see the comparison has been made here so that you can understand what are the similarity and what we have. So on the left side we have the about Jupyter Notebook, limited collaboration, local file storage, and local setup is required. And on the other hand, for the Google Colab, real-time collaboration and cloud storage integration, cloud-based convenience. So for the Google Colab, we need not required to install any software in our system. Just we need to have a Gmail account. But in the case of Jupyter Notebook, you have to install Anaconda in your system, and then we can use. But the file extension for both will be same. Okay, so thank you all for joining today's session and learning the basic of the Python with me. In the next lecture, we will begin hands-on coding using powerful and free tool called Google Colab. You don't need to install anything, just a Google account is enough. We will show you how to open Colab, run your first Python code, and understand how everything works step by step. So get ready to start everything Python code with me and in the cloud. See you in the next session. Until then, take care and happy learning. Thank you.